I'm not blood clot, take no chance, yeah? Me not afraid of people. I know the people them me did afraid of in the middle of the night for say me I go up in that hills here. So me decide 4 o'clock, me ready. Me dey out on the road, main road. Me I walk the main road for go up in them new hills here. Me finally reach the road where actually you take for turn off for go up in them hills here. Me reach that road there. Mind you, the road where you fit take for turn off for go up in the hills. I want split road, you know. And if you I want bush they right in front of your road. So if you don't know which bush to look for, you go pass right by the road for go up in them set of hills here. Why me follow my brothers? Why me follow my brethren directions them to the T? Me no know. Something did that guide me that night there. People, as me I burn my little ganja, and I burn my little herbs and I cut and I go through me they are so like